Hello, we are developing inventory management system with PHPMaker. So in this video, we are going to set up stock item table. Before that, I would like to tell you that to run the PHP, you will need XAMPP, or you can get any other Apache or other software which will work as a server for you. So in this tutorial, we'll be using XAMPP. You can download the XAMPP from the given link. How to install XAMPP and configure it, there is a video, you can check that from description. Once you install the XAMPP, you can have access to the PHPMaker tool, which will require to configure database table. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to see which all table we need. So first table is stock item. We'll see all the table columns and see how you can configure them. First table is stock item, and we need these columns in that. So stock item ID will hold primary key, which will be auto generated. It is key to identify your record. Product name will hold product name. You can change data type to VARCHAR 99 to 255. So it can customize as per your need. Product code will hold a unique code for the product. It can be barcode or serial number, which will help us to identify the product. CategoryIDFK is a foreign key here. We'll create a master table for the category where we configure all the categories, like if you have electronic shop where you sell mobile, laptop, tablet, and any other electronic item, you can categorize them with the category. Next is quantity. It will hold the current quantity of the product. Units of measurement. It is like in the inventory, you can have units of measurement like boxes, pieces. So you can configure them here. Purchase price is a price at price you bought that particular item. And selling price is a price at what you want to sell. This will help us to create a report where you can see profit and loss by selling and purchasing price. Low stock quantity is a quantity where you want to get notified that particular product went in low stock. For example, you have stock of iPhone 14, 500 items are there right now, but you wish to get a notification when the stock quantity went below 50. So you can configure it 50 in this particular column. Product image will upload product image. So what we are trying to see, using the PHPMaker functionalities, we can create an inventory management solution. So with the help of all the available features, we try to utilize them. So image feature is also available in PHPMaker. So you will see that in next coming videos. Notes we can have some comments or notes related to the item which will store here. And next for field like created by IDFK, created date, last updated by, and last updated, these column will be auto updated and will not be shown on the add edit screen. This column will help you to identify who edited that record or who created that record when that is created or edited. So that will help us to keep a log on the items. So let's check out how you can create same thing in the database. I have prepared a SQL statement by which we can create a table with all the columns we discussed. Just have a quick overview, and then I will execute this in the database and create a table. I will share this in description box. You can check this and use your database. So we have stock ID, which is a primary key. So the data type is integer, and as it is a primary key, we have to put that as auto increment, and we can define that as a primary key. Similarly, product name is a VARCHAR 99. You can have the limit as per your convenience. Not null, because we need this value for each record. as well as product code is also required to identify that particular item. So product code and product name are two required. If you see, all other are optional. As per your business or convenience, you can put all other fields as required. Category ID is integer because it's a foreign key over here. We'll creating a category table and linking with that. Quantity is float. We can have a float value in that. That's why it's a float and default 0. So you can have a item with that 0 value. Similarly, purchasing price can we can have a two precision value for particular item like 9.99 or 12.50. So that's why we use float 10 by 2. Low stock quantity, product image, and other fields are also configured. We'll use this particular statement and execute this in PHPMaker. You see it over here. Once we say go, it will create a new table under our DB. You can see stock items and it will return a result OK. If we go to stock item, as there is no record right now, so it is showing us an empty table. So this is the way we created stock item table. In next video, we are going to see how we can create all the master table and what is a master table, which all master table are required for our inventory project. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any update. In one by one video, we are going to see all the required tables and then how we can configure them and how we can generate an inventory management project using the PageMaker.